Hey guys, my name is Ehsas Kanjla and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, hi, how are you? So today is a very special day for me. आज जो गेस्ट आने वाले हैं, it's a huge deal for me. And जब मैं छोटी थी, for at least 5 or 6 years, I was the biggest fan of this guy. Like I had posters, like my phone, I had that Nokia ka phone, and everything was around this guy. He is a beautiful human being, and I'm glad that I am able to interview this guy. But before that, I wanted to talk to you guys about fitness. जब भी हम मेंटल या सोशल हेल्थ के बारे में सोचते हैं वी फील बेटर बाय एक्सरसाइजिंग योगा और जस्ट डांस कार्डियो डांस we feel good. When we feel low, we try to dance and just vibe it off. It feels nice to be happy when you're fit. And fitness is your greatest medicine, trust me. Do yoga, do exercise, just be at your best. Plus, in during these times, it is the greatest time. You have an umpteen amount of time. तुम exercise करो, तुम yoga करो, meditate, just focus on your personal health. It helps, at least it helps me grow. When I dance like no one's watching, everybody does that. It feels good, emotionally अच्छा लगता है, happiness आती है. So it is all about that. I'll just skip this part because I'm way too excited for who's coming today on my channel. So let's move on to the second part of my video. I'll keep this rant short. Let's move on to the second part of my video where we call the guest. It's my greatest opportunity today to interview my next guest. I was a huge fan of him growing up. जब से मैं 7-8 साल की थी, I had posters of this guy in my room, everywhere. My entire world revolved around this guy. He has been such an inspiration to me. बहुत सारे लोग, not only me, बहुत सारे लोग. I know people who are still the biggest fan of Gautam Gambhir. So yeah, we have with us none other than Gautam Gambhir. He is an Indian politician right now and a member of the Lok Sabha Parliament. He is a former world famous cricketer and he won the Arjuna Award in 2008 and won the Padma Shri, the Honorable Padma Shri Award in 2019. I am so glad that he could find the time, and in his entirely busy schedule he could find the time to get into an interview with me. Okay, it's a big deal. Anyway, I'm freaking out. Let's go and watch the entire video. Bye. Oh my god. Hi sir, it's such an extreme pleasure to have you on my channel. Welcome to the Banter family. We love you here and it's such an honor to have you on my channel. I know you've been very busy with your Gautam Gambhir Foundation and the amazing work you're doing right now. So I will not hamper your tight schedule and get straight into the questions. So, sir, my first question to you is, it's been over 40 days under lockdown. What have you done or plan to do so to spend your time inside your house?
See, it's always tough when you're under the lockdown for the last 40 days, but now I've got an opportunity to spend some time with my family. I've got a young family, and I was obviously traveling when I was playing cricket, and then obviously I got into my political life. Yeah, there's a huge responsibility looking after my constituency. There are a lot of people obviously who require a lot of stuff as well, but then at least from the positive point of view, I've got time to spend with my little ones, try and play badminton with them, try and see them grow, make them sleep, and try and play some other games as well. So it's always great fun.
Sir, you inspire me every second. My next question to you is, as the responsible citizens of this country, we know that you have done a lot for the people stuck out there. Needless to say, you have inspired a billion. What keeps you going? What keeps you working so hard for them?
What keeps me going is probably the honesty which I have towards the people of my constituency and for the people of Delhi and probably for the people of my country as well. And this time, people need help. And if you can help as many people as you can, if you can touch as many lives as you can, probably that's going to give you a lot of satisfaction. And people keep asking me that when people ask this question, that what this country has done for you, probably the most important question is what you can do for this country, and this is the right time to answer that question as well. That you can go out there, you can touch as many lives as you can, because there are people who are in need, who are in desperate need. There are doctors, nurses, there are police constables, there are so many other people who are fighting this battle from the front. So try and touch as many lives as you can, try and feed people who really need food. Probably that intent, and if I can touch as many lives as I can, probably that's going to be the biggest satisfaction and probably the most important thing where I've got elected as an MP.
So, being an amazing sportsman you are, my third question is based on that. What do you advise the sportsmen on those gully fields who are stuck under lockdown? What should they do to stay fit like you?
There's only one advice, that the fitter you are, the more mentally strong you are. The fitter you are, the better decision makings you make, and the more competitive you are, the more hungry you are. So whatever level of sports you're playing, wherever you're playing, irrespective, you got to be competitive enough, and you got to work on your fitness, because fitness is the only way that keeps you going, that helps you in making right decision making, and that is the only advice I will give. When people ask me this question, that how do you get mentally tough, how do you take right decisions when you're actually under pressure, and everything boils down to your fitness levels, because the more fitter you are, probably it helps you sleep better, it helps you eat, it makes you eat better, and all those things. All this thing is a chain. So I definitely want everyone to be competitive and at the same time be absolutely fit, so that they can take the right decisions at the right time.
Moving on to my fourth question, sir, you are inspiring me every second. I don't know how to thank you. Anyway, moving on to my fourth question. So, what advice do you give for those billion people you inspire on a daily basis? One of them is me, of course. What do you advise them?
Be honest to yourself, be honest to your family, and most importantly, be honest to your nation, because this nation is giving you the most important thing, your identity. People will not remember your name, but wherever you travel in this world, the first thing people ask you is, where are you from? And you should be blessed to say that you're an Indian. You should be proud enough to say that you're an Indian, so never criticize your country, because this country is giving you the most important thing, that's your name and your identity.
Thank you so much, sir. You inspire me every second. My last question to you is, any advice for me and the Banter Mirror?
That's just one word of advice. Be honest to yourself, be honest to your channel, and most importantly, always back the truth. Never shy away from the truth, and always you should be able to say the truth.
So you guys heard what he said. I am so glad he could find the time and come on my channel. It was an actual pleasure to have him. And if you like this video, please push that subscribe button, that red color ka subscribe button you see. Just do that. Just click that bell, tiny bell, to get notified every time I post one video, and be a part of my family, wherein I post videos every week, and I have introduced a special Sunday feature. So you have to check that out. You guys have to check my previous videos. I'll link them down below. And I love you all. Bye for now. I'll join you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame.